Hey guys, it's Rashid here from Marketing with Rashid. I'm going to make a quick video here. Basically, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a recurring payment within PayPal. I'm making this video because I found it very difficult to do earlier, but I figured it out now. It's very complicated on PayPal. Everywhere else you can cancel your recurring payments easily, but on PayPal they made it really hard for some reason. So first thing you're going to do is obviously log into your PayPal account, find out the transaction which you want to cancel. Click on that one and you'll get information from it. A page like this will pop up and it'll show everything here, and it's very hard to find. Obviously I'm going to delete some things out, and here you think you might have to click on this recurring payments dashboard, and there'll be a cancel, but there was nothing there. So if I click on there, it basically goes over to my customers. It'll be so where recurring payment are there, it'll add up. My computer's a bit slow right now, but it'll come to a page like this. This is not what you want. Okay, subscription, this, that, none of this accounts for anything. Basically, what you want to do is you've got on where you want to cancel it. Come over here and say view recurring payments. Click on that one there. Okay, I'm gonna make this video really quick, and then where it says here active cancel, just press cancel there. Okay. That's all it is there. So if I just click on cancel, and that should cancel it there. Cancel your future improvement payments, blah 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 blah. Stop approved payments, yep. Keep approved payments. So basically, you just click on here. So, and don't forget, it says cancel at least 1 day before the due date. Okay, so if you're gonna pay the next day, it might still go through. So you want to cancel about a week before. Stop pre-payment. Okay, so I just click on that, and that should be it. Yeah, you're all set. Approved. Remember you didn't cancel 1 day, blah blah blah, and that's it, done. All that sorted. So anyway, that's me, Rashid from Marketing with Rashid, and I'll see you in the next video.